Welcome to Florida Disney Daddy. Today, join us as we meet the queens of Arendelle themselves, Anna and Elsa, at the Royal Sommerhus right here in EPCOT's Norway Pavilion. Now, while we're waiting in the queue, let's take a look around. The Imagineers really went all out here. The Royal Sommerhus is actually modeled after a real, historic log cabin located at a folk museum in Trondheim, Norway. It's designed to be the sisters' childhood summer getaway, giving us a peek into their lives before the gates were opened. Since this is their childhood retreat, the cabin is packed with their personal memorabilia. If you look closely over here, you can even spot Anna's adorable childhood toy doll sitting on the shelf.
Yeah, but they're rich, right? I thought they had 1,500 salad plates, right?
All right, Disney history buffs, here is a fantastic Easter egg. See this woven tapestry with the three-headed troll? That is a direct tribute to Maelstrom, the beloved classic boat ride that used to be right next door before Frozen Ever After took its place. If you remember hearing the trolls yell, "Disappear, disappear," you'll appreciate this nod. Throughout the queue, you'll notice all this stunning painted furniture, like this green cabinet. This beautiful floral painting style is called Rosemaling, a traditional Norwegian folk art that Imagineers studied heavily to make this cabin feel completely authentic. I love this detail, a sweet portrait of Anna and Elsa playing together with Olaf in the background. It's a great reminder of their childhood innocence and the bond they share as sisters. Don't forget to look up. Hanging from the ceiling are what look like standard violins, but they are actually inspired by hardanger fiddles, which are traditional Norwegian stringed instruments. And check out these intricately carved pieces of wood on the wall. These are traditional Scandinavian cookie molds. You can just imagine the royal family baking traditional treats during their summer vacations here. All right, it's finally time. The wait for this is usually shortest right at park open, during lunchtime, or later in the evening. But honestly, this queue is so gorgeous, the time flies by. Let's go meet them. First up, we have the incredibly bubbly Anna. Anna is always so much fun to talk to. If you're ever looking for icebreakers, ask her about her favorite chocolate, sandwiches, or how Kristoff and Sven are doing. Next, we stepped over to meet the Snow Queen herself, Elsa. Keep in mind, the sisters meet in the same room, but they do take pictures separately, which is actually great because you get double the one-on-one time. Here are some of our favorite shots from the meet and greet. The PhotoPass photographers here always do an amazing job capturing the magic. And that's a wrap on the Royal Sommerhus. If your kids love Frozen, this is an absolute must-do in EPCOT. Thanks for hanging out with Florida Disney Daddy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more Disney World adventures. See you real soon.